Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 5 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous questions. We have to answer it fast. Okay, our first question was, who has got the title sponsorship of Women T20 Challenge? Jio, On Academy, Tata, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is recently Jio got the title sponsorship of Women T20 Challenge. Okay, recently the BCCI Board of Control for Cricket in India has announced the Jio as the title sponsor of the 2020 edition of the Women's T20 Challenge. Okay, BCCI is in news. Do you know the headquarters of the BCCI? BCCI headquarters is situated in Mumbai. BCCI is founded in 1928 and recently the president of BCCI is Sourav Ganguly. Okay, our second question was, who has inaugurated Arogya Van in Gujarat's Narmada district? Nitin Gadkari, Narendra Modi, Prakash Javadekar, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Arogya Van in the Narmada district of Gujarat. Arogya Van is set up on 17-acre land. Remember, it is set up on 17-acre land in Kevadia for spreading awareness on yoga, Ayurveda and meditation. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has inaugurated e-resource center, virtual center in Nagpur? Ramnath Kovind, Sharad Arvind Bobde, sorry, it is Bobde, Narendra Modi, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, CGI of India, Sharad Arvind Bobde. Okay. Recently, the CGI of India, Sharad Arvind Bobde and Justice D.Y. Chandrachud jointly inaugurated India's first ever e-resource center and the virtual court called Navya Kaushal in Nagpur. It is launched in Nagpur. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is elected as president of IPU for 2020 to 23? Durate Pacheco, Srinivas Reddy, C.V. George, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Durate Pacheco. Recently, Portugal's MP Durate Pacheco has won the election for the post of the president of IPU. Remember the abbreviation of IPU is Inter-Parliamentary Union. What? Inter-Parliamentary Union. He is from Portugal. Okay, next question. Satish Prasad Singh passed away. He was the former chief minister of which state? Assam, Odisha, Bihar, or option D, Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer here is Bihar. Option C is correct here. The former chief minister of Bihar, Satish Prasad Singh, recently passed away. He was born in January 1st, 1936. Okay, and remember one thing, the shortest serving chief minister of Bihar is Satish Prasad Singh, shortest serving chief minister, only for 5 days. So this question is very much important in obituary's point of view. You can see the image of Satish Prasad Singh here. Satish Prasad Singh, a social activist also. Next question. M. Samuel retired from all forms of cricket. He belongs to his country? Australia, West Indies, Sri Lanka, option D, India. The correct answer here is option B, West Indies. You can see the image of M. Samuel here. The West Indies batsman Marlon Samuels has announced his retirement from professional cricket. Okay, he is from West Indies. Remember the name M. Samuel. And Shane Watson also from Australia, the Australian all-rounder, also announced his retirement. Remember it. Next question. Which naval ship reaches Sudan under Mission Sagar 2? Airavat, Vikramaditya, INS Vikrant, or option D, none of these? The answer here is option A, Airavat. Recently, as a part of Mission Sagar 2, The Indian naval ship Airabat has reached the Sudan with 100 tons of food aid. What? With 100 tons of food aid. Okay, name of the ship is Airabat. Next question. India, US, Japan and Australia Malabar naval exercise began in which ocean? Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Bay of Bengal. It was started in Bay of Bengal. The navies of India, the US, Japan and Australia began the 4-day-long phase first of the Malabar exercise in the Bay of Bengal. It is started in Bay of Bengal. Okay, next question. Who became first Indian origin minister of New Zealand? C.B. George, Pratima Agrawal, Priyanka Radhakrishnanan, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Priyanka Radhakrishnanan. Remember, this question is very much important because the first time in history. Priyanka Radhakrishnanan has created history by becoming the first Indian origin woman to become a minister in New Zealand. Okay, you can see the image of Priyanka Radhakrishnanan here. She was appointed as a minister in New Zealand recently. Next question. Ashish Kakkar passed away. He was related to which field? Film, sports, journalism, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is film. The noted filmmaker and voice-over artist Ashish Kakkar recently passed away. He was one of the most prominent artists from the Gujarati film industry. Remember, Ashish Kakkar is related to Gujarati film industry. You can see here the image of Ashish Kakkar here. Okay. Next question. Where Plastic Lao Mask Le Jao campaign has started? Mumbai, Dehradun, Delhi, or option D, Lucknow. The correct answer here is Dehradun. In Dehradun, recently the Plastic Lao Mask Le Jao campaign has started. Okay, it is a very interesting and very useful for environment. Okay, Plastic Lao and Mask Le Jao campaign started in Dehradun. Remember it. Next question. Who is honored with Ekalavya Award by Karnataka government? KL Rahul, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, or option D, none of these. Can you identify the image here? The famous Indian cricketer recently, the KL Rahul, option A is correct here. Recently, KL Rahul honored with Ekalavya Award from Karnataka state government. Remember, Ekalavya State Award is the highest sports award of Karnataka government, and recently it was given to KL Rahul, the famous Indian cricketer KL Rahul. You can see here the image of KL Rahul. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, in which state India's first miniature train launched? Our second question is, Super Cyclone Goni hits to which country? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you, and if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Have a like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.